Imagine a world where discarded materials transform into cutting-edge technology. The Philippines is pioneering this vision with the Dagat Sky, a fifth-generation delta-wing fighter aircraft crafted from recycled ocean plastics and old truck engines. This innovative creation not only showcases the ingenuity of Filipino engineers, but also addresses environmental challenges. Each flight helps clean our oceans while proving that sustainability and military prowess can coexist. Picture a fighter jet soaring through the skies, powered by what many would consider trash. It's a bold leap into the future, where creativity meets necessity and the impossible becomes reality.